Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am ROOSAMEKTO MAMEK. I am a line dance instructor and choreographer. And this is the tutorial of Mamma Mia, the way that you kiss good night. It is a 32 counts, 4 wall, beginner level line dance, section 1. I am going to place over there, and this is my right foot. Yeah? Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the dance. Now the tag. There is 4 contact, yeah? Tag happens end of wall 2, 4, and 8. I am going to place camera for the tag, and this is my right foot. The tag is, you can do either, yeah? There are 2 choices of tag. This is my right foot. Tag A, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or yeah, tag B, yeah? B, yeah? This is my right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all the dance. I hope you like it. Don't forget, please to like, comment, share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed my channel. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.